Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up Android devices as digital signage kiosk using Scale Fusion MDM. To set up your Android devices as a digital signage kiosk, go to Content under Content Management. Upload the files you want to run on the digital signage. You can either upload the files from your local computer or upload them using an external Google Drive link. Click on OK. Now, go to Presentations. Click on Create Presentation. Enter the name for the presentation and click on Save. Simply select the content files that you want in your presentation and define the order. Then, click on Properties, and there you can enforce landscape mode, enable screensaver, and define what happens on the device when the screen is touched. Now, choose the interval time and you can also create a shortcut for play on demand. Click on Update. Now, go back to Presentations and under the three dots menu, click on Publish. Select the device or the device group where you want the presentation and click on Submit. We can see that the device is now playing the presentation on loop. You have successfully set up your Android device as a digital signage kiosk. Thank you and keep watching this space for more such videos.